one of the bangers. So, point of view of a day trader on CPI day. You know what is CPI day? It is a rather super powerful news and economical news, okay? So I just finished up, actually not just finished up, it's currently like 12:30 p.m. Eastern time. Like obviously in my country it's a little bit later, but Eastern time. Market opened at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. And as soon as market opened, I saw the effects of previously happened CPI news. CPI news happened on 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. I mean today. It happened on 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. Huge lightsaber freaking candle. Most definitely affected the markets a lot because after that, when session opened, the New York Stock Exchange opened, there was nearly no volume. I mean, that shit looked whack. Okay, it was moving sideways after the session opened. So, I was live streaming with my Discord and I said, okay, most definitely, if I find a trade, I'm gonna de-risk, risking less of my capital today. And then after that, the price just continued doing some weird ass crap. So I was like, okay, it hit like 10:30 a.m. Eastern time, and I just, obviously we had an amazing education call in the Discord as well while I was looking for the trade, and as it says, okay, no trades taken today, and then shortly after I closed the stream, and then I pretty much ate some food, and now I'm about to hit the gym. That's why I'm wearing these clothes. Uh, but I gotta say, man, some new traders do not understand that you shouldn't trade every single day. Okay, you have to understand. Confluences can be found in a trade. You could find some liquidity. You can find a bunch of shit. But if the volume isn't in place, if the movement isn't right, then you shouldn't trade. Simple fact, because I know that you could find like a order block, or you could find a freaking fair value gap, or whatever you trade, mountain highs. Do you trade freaking ceilings? I don't know what you trade. You can find those, but if there's no volume, if there's no right movement, you shouldn't trade. Okay, and today CPI days fucked the market. Okay, it really destroyed the markets, but then eventually it goes up. Okay, was it yesterday as predicted? We made all-time highs on S&P 500, and we're getting closer to all-time highs on NQ NAS. So it makes sense, but I can literally just show you today's market price action. All right, so let me just show you. Hold on, let me just show you, bro. So look at this, bro. This is the NQ NAS. This is like, what the look at this price action. Okay, here it kind of was all right, but this is a big ass red flag when session opened, and there's like big ass freaking consolidation. If you don't know what is consolidation, the price moves sideways. Just look at this. This is the CPI news. You can see this freaking lightsaber candle. Session opened in here, and this is just not so great. And this is like, I'm talking like hours. And this is freaking 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. Not the greatest price action. What we want to see: uptrend, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, like this, or downtrend movement, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, because that's the trend. But consolidation is also a form of trend moving sideways. So you need to be really, really cautious about the trend, okay? But yeah, man, no trades taken today whatsoever. And as traders, we need to know when to trade and when not to trade. Today was an example of when we shouldn't trade, so I didn't trade. Well, let's, bro, I'm gonna hit the gym now, so I'll see you at the gym. I'll record a little bit of my workout, not much, but I'll update you in a minute. Okay, man, what's good? So, as you can see, I came home, and I ain't gonna lie, I kind of skipped this a little bit. It's getting kind of late in my country's time, my bad. But yeah, man, overall, pretty calm day, even though no trades taken today. But this is the life of a trader, man. I'm here to show you the reality. I'm not here to show you only my highlights, like all these freaking gurus. Because, I came into this industry to make a change, to show you the reality, to document everything. And, if you're new here, you may wonder, who am I? Well, I am a 17-year-old profitable independent trader who has been profitable for 1.5 years, consistently making money in these markets. But, obviously, it wasn't easy. I had to go through my ups and downs. I was losing for 2 years straight. If I would have learned from right people, I would have become profitable way, way faster. And that's why I'm always here to educate, innovate, and motivate, okay? These mini vlogs are, to show the reality, what it takes. Sometimes there's no trades taken, okay? That is trading, okay? I was in the markets for 1.1 hour today. I was in the markets 1 hour today. I was trading it live with my Discord. Yesterday was a winner. Today, no trades. That's how it goes. Sometimes it's like that. And, you just gotta be patient, because trading is one of the only jobs and business models that allows you to actually be fucking free. That's why I chose trading, and that's why I have this fucking free time. I'm able to record these videos as well. That's the beauty of it. Okay, trading maximum takes 1.5 hours of my day. 1.5 hours, 1.5 hours. That's nothing. And while I'm doing it, I'm having a good time listening to music, talking with my students in the Discord. That's how it goes. And making sure that they're making money, making sure that they're earning, learning, becoming profitable. I'm enjoying. I'm making a change. But I enjoy it, bro. I really enjoy trading now that I think about it. I really enjoy. But also, I view it as a job, I don't see it as a gamble. I don't see that, okay, today I must take a trade. That used to be me, That used to be actually me. And, funny story. When I was unprofitable, I used to take literally like 2, 3, 4, or even 5 trades a day. People may think that they have a risk management strategy, but they still take like 5 trades a day. They're like, oh, wait, I'm gonna risk 1% a trade, but then they take 5 trades and they lose 5%. You know what I mean? You gotta have a good risk management strategy and a plan in the markets. How many trades are you maximum gonna take? And how can you avoid those losses, those stupid losses? If the price action looks shit like it did today, simply do not trade. Or maximum de-risk heavily, like risk less. Okay? You shouldn't get into a point where you're taking trades with no conclusions. No, you don't know why did you take those. No. Obviously, you learn from those because you'll lose money if you do that. But also, you shouldn't be able to lose an account within 10 trades. I know people coming to me in my Discord asking for help, like, oh, what should I do? I'm losing my accounts, things like that all the time. I'm like, what? How is that even possible? Then I explain, blah, 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 blah. I can always give you the education, innovation, motivation, but I want you to actually take action on those, okay? I can give you the best education, but if you do not take action, simply that won't work then, okay? You have to take the action, okay? I used to struggle. I wanted to quit trading because I didn't see results, but when I actually started to take it fucking seriously, everything changed. Now I have been profitable for 1.5 years. On average, I make around $800, like on average, a day when I take a trade. Biggest days on the air, like 1.5 thousand. And when I lose, if I lose a trade, it's much, much smaller because of risk management strategy, okay? And I can teach you everything. Everything. If you want to become a profitable independent trader, quick, with the right knowledge, I can teach you for free. It should be the first link in the description. If you want to live trade with me, get it mentored by me, then there's something called a premium access. But I'm not gonna promote it that much because I'm trying to gather up people in there that are actually serious, which I'm not saying that you aren't, but I'm not trying to get too many people in there because I want to individually also check that they're making money, etc., etc. But regardless, bro, I believe in you. And if you like this video, Comment down below. But bro, I really believe in you. You have to understand, I believe in you, okay? I know that you're gonna be successful because if you made it this far to this video, you're gonna be a fucking success. You are. You are gonna be a profitable trader. You understand? Once you master trading, nobody can take the skill from you. Nobody, absolutely no one. The markets aren't going anywhere. So you're building up something that will be with you the rest of your life. Think about it, bro. If I would go fucking broke right now, like today, oh, I would literally gather up fucking bottles to buy myself a freaking laptop or a phone, and then I would trade again and make all the money fucking back. Because there's funded accounts nowadays. But yeah, regardless, that was a quick little thing why I chose trading. Trading is something that nobody can take from me. The skill. That's why I love it. Alright? But yeah, man, I believe in it, bro. As usual, I will see you on the other side. Peace out.